One, the Finance Minister of India, the other an ex-BJP colleague, both among India's top lawyers. The case, Jaitley's defamation suit against Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal and other Aam Aadmi Party leaders for 10 crore rupees.
Considering my stature, background and reputation, the loss caused to me and my reputation was so enormous that it was considered unquantifiable.
In other words, it was your personal feeling about your greatness that it can't be estimated in terms of fiscal measure.
My views are based on what my friends, well-wishers and others.
There is no objective rational reason besides the value that you put on yourself.
The value I placed towards loss of my reputation was only a small part of the enormous damage done.
You have not suffered any monetary damage as a result of this, which is why you call it unquantifiable.
Loss of my reputation has been partly quantified in terms of money. Loss of reputation causes mental distress to the person defamed, which it did in my case.
You said it has caused loss of goodwill. I hope you know the difference between goodwill and reputation.
There are overlapping areas in meaning of both words. My counsel's letter on 21st of February in that sense uses them interchangeably.
Goodwill is enjoyed by even a crook who has done some good for somebody.
Comments were made individually and collectively by defendants. I recollect from the media that defendant number 1 alleged that the CBI conducted the raid at Secretariat to take away some file where it was alleged that I was named. It appears that the defendants made some defamatory statements against me immediately after this raid. I had no prior knowledge of this raid, nor have I ever been privy of the facts.
It was a small but packed courtroom which witnessed not just the legal argument but also a verbal fight between both sides. While Jaitley's lawyers objected to some of the questions being asked to the finance minister, including at one point where he was asked whether he knew the difference between the words goodwill and reputation, the Aam Aadmi Party side objected to the large number of BJP lawyers being present inside the courtroom. With camera person Jagdish Prasad in New Delhi, Tanima Biswas for NDTV.